Do you know like what are the best AI models available and which you can use locally for different purpose? So let's see in this video like what are the different AI models available which you can use through Ollama on your local machine. So let's go one by one onto those models and see what are their both pros and cons and how you can use it. So the first model is LLaMA 3.1, and basically you can see here that LLaMA 3.1 is from Meta and it is the best all-round model. So the recommendation for general chat, writing, learning and for everyday use. Why it is good? Because it has a balanced performance, it is great at reasoning, good at long form answer and strong English performance. So it runs well on most laptop, that is 7 billion, 8 billion version. So you can get a 8 billion version LLaMA models and which you can use for different purpose. So this is from the Meta and you can use it. Like if you want to use a single model for multiple things, then you can use it. Let's go over to this link and here you can see that what are the different models. So this is the description, like from the Meta. You can, if you want to read more about this, then you can go here. As of now, LLaMA 4 is also there, you can use that also, but LLaMA 3.1 is also one of the best model. Okay, how you can run the LLaMA 3.1 model? So you can just pull it using Ollama pull LLaMA 3.1. So basically Ollama should be installed on your machine, then only you can do it. So I already have created some of the videos on how to install Ollama on Windows, Mac and Linux, and you can use it. So once you download the model, you can just use the run command Ollama run LLaMA 3.1 to basically run it. So it is best for explanation, writing articles, brainstorming, everyday chat and summaries. So this is from the Meta side and it is freely available on Ollama. Now the second model is what? It is the Mistral 7 billion fastest model for everyday use. So this is also a good, recommended for speed, quick replies and lightweight system. So it is basically very speed. So it is faster than LLaMA, but it is not too much like it will not give you too much good results as compared to LLaMA. So basically this is the link, you can go over it. Why it is good? Because it is very fast, low memory usage, great for MacBook Air or older laptop, and it has very small size. You can run the Mistral 7B parameter using Ollama pull Mistral. So again it will download to your local machine and then you can run it using Ollama run Mistral. So this is one more model. Let's go over it and see like what are the details here. So Mistral is here. So this is their homepage. You can go and learn more details about this, like how you can use it, what are the different use cases. Now the third is what? It is Gemma 2 from the Google side. So this is the Google model and it is recommended for simple explanation, study, help and structured writing. So it is clean, simple, human-like writing. It is great for students. So if you want to create notes and other structured writing, you can use it. Again, if you want to use it, then just pull it using Ollama pull Gemma 2 and then you can run it using Ollama run Gemma 2. So it is used for notes, summaries, school or college explanation and short article. Now the next model is DeepSeek Coder. So it is recommended for coding, debugging and small system uses. So this is a Chinese model and this is the link. So you can just open it and see like what are the different DeepSeek models. So one of them is DeepSeek Coder. You can go through their website if you want to find more details. So what it can do, it is extremely small. It has amazing, like you can have 1.3 billion parameter also, or basically 6.7 billion. So 1.3 billion is extremely small and fast here. So you can use it. So now how you can use it is like you can just pull it using the Ollama pull DeepSeek Coder and then you can run it using Ollama run DeepSeek Coder. It is best for coding like Python help, not like bigger coding, but yeah, for if you have smaller machine and you want to use a model for coding which is local, then you can use it. So it can help you with Python help, small code generation, explaining bugs, quick coding suggestion. Now the next model is what? Qwen, which is from Alibaba, again from China. It is recommended for Indian languages and multilingual tasks. So you can see the link here. You can just go to this and basically this is the Qwen. So you can just, this is their website similar to ChatGPT. You can use it if you want. Now it has strong performance in Hindi, Tamil, Bangla, Telugu, etc. So these are mostly Indian languages, great for translation, good quality writing, competitive with bigger models. So you can run Qwen using the below command Ollama pull Qwen 2. So these are like model Qwen 2 or something. The higher version of the model would be available, but for this article, these are the models which I am using. So you can go and search onto their website to find what are the latest model that they have come and how many billion parameter you can use it for your machine, like based on your machine specification. So for Qwen, this is Qwen 2, you can just pull it, which will download, and then you can run it. So it is best for translation, multilingual, and chat in regional languages. Then we have another model as LLaVA vision model, and it is used for image to text. So if you want to use some of the model to convert image to text, so you can use it. So what they can do, they can describe images. So you can upload some images on your Ollama terminal when you are using the LLaVA model, and then basically you can ask to describe that image, extract the text, analyze the document, or identify object. So you can run using this below command. So again, Ollama pull LLaVA, basically it will pull the model, and then you can run it through Ollama run LLaVA. So it is best for captioning, photo description, and OCR style. Now I have created a table, like this is the comparison table between different models. So you can see whatever we have discussed in this video. So all the models are present here and what this is best for. So you can get a idea about it. So if you want to do coding, you need to go for DeepSeek. If you want to do for image thing, you need to use this LLaVA model. If you want to do multilingual stuff, you can use Qwen 2. If you want to do a model which can do everything for you on like a better version, so you can use LLaMA 3.1. So this is a strong comparison. So Mistral is again for speed, Gemma 2 is for learning and writing. So you can go through this table and basically use it again. So these are the models version which I was using when it is available, but when you see the video, so it may happen that there are new versions of the model, so you need to use that. So based on your system specification, just download that. So which model you should use? So again, this is a comparison. If you want maximum speed, Mistral, better style writing, Gemma 2, coding help, Phi3 or DeepSeek, Qwen 2 for Hindi or regional language support, image understanding, again LLaVA. So if you want to see like what models are present on your local system on the Ollama, then you can use it. So let's go to our terminal and we will see it there. So I'm going to my terminal here. I'll just do Control C, Command K, and then if I see Ollama and then list, so it will show you the models that those are available. So you can see currently I am only having LLaMA 3 8 billion parameter, which has a size of 4.7 GB, which is on my machine. So this is the model. Now simple frequently asked question, do larger model give better answer? Mostly yes, but they need more memory. So if you want to install larger model, means what, which can handle more parameters. So basically there are 7 billion, 13 billion, 14 billion, 100 billion, 120 billion. So these are the model, like how big that model is and how much complex task it can do. So basically if you need that larger model, so it will give you better answers, but that requires more memory. Can I run multiple model? Yes, but one at a time. So basically what you can do is, like if Ollama is there, so you can run only one model at a time. So when you ask answer or something, so it loads the model on your GPU or RAM. So it does one time, you ask model, do interaction, and then again basically you need, if you want to ask with something different, you need to change your model. So should beginner use 70 billion model? No, they are too heavy for normal laptop. So you should not use 70 billion model because they are too much heavy. So now these are some of the conclusions. So let's see like where we find this model. So I'll go to Ollama and then this search, or you can just click here also on the models. So here you will see that list of all the models are there. So if you want to see the newest popular thinking, vision, tools and embedding, so you can do a filtering. So let's say I go to Qwen, or let's say I go to LLaMA. So you can see that now LLaMA 4 is there. So what we have been using is LLaMA 3.1, LLaMA 3.2 is also available, LLaMA 3 is also available. Just go over this website and then you can see what are the different latest models that are available for that particular thing, like LLaMA, Qwen or something, and you can use it. Always visit to this website to find the latest model. Okay. So I think this is done. I have given the link of my YouTube channel also. Just go there and basically subscribe it. And basically I think you like this video, you like my channel, so please share these videos with other people. So thank you very much.